Welcome to Current Medicine, Ayurveda plus Science. Do we all consider our ancient Indian healing and cure system is division of science? If yes, what is science? Science needs experiments and actual results in various conditions. We may know that a herb treats to particular diseases, but we are unable to explain what is the mode of action, what is the pharmacodynamics, what is the pharmacokinetics, etc. What is stopping us to research on herbals? And medicine, how does it work in particular treatment? Is there anywhere in Ayurveda written not to adopt the science? I think no. It's not that allopathy does not use herbs. There are so many drugs in allopathy extracted from herbs, or herbs directly used in the practice. Allopathy listen, studies, science and facts. Who and what is stopping Ayurveda doctors to use new laboratories or diagnostic techniques? What is stopping Ayurveda to study cell level science that matches or overscore allopathy? It is not to leave that basics of Ayurveda, but whenever whatever science or technology to adapt or upgrade ourselves, it should adapt. Science is meant for well-being of human and all other lives on the earth. If something is helping to our patients, we should take it. Is there anything written not to use 3D printing, artificial intelligence for well-being of human in Ayurveda? I think no. Many allopathic doctors suggest meditation and yoga for well-being of human. Ayurveda has really good concept of healing. But what patients are expecting, how the practice is going, we all know that. What if Ayurveda use laboratory diagnostic technologies, drug studies, modern instruments? What if Ayurveda give quick results, modern surgical methods? What if Ayurveda regulate at par to the allopathy? It's going to only competition to allopathy in the medical field. One simple rule for any industry is change or evolution for better, or stay at place to die. So, this is my personal opinion. Ayurveda needs serious and swift upgradation. We always try to bring you best. Kindly subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.